Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by powering the Hesh Evo and getting a stable connection. Make sure the battery is above 20% so noise cancelling has enough power. Low charge can limit ANC performance. Press and hold the power button for about 2 seconds until the LED and voice prompt indicate power on. Once on, pair with your phone or laptop via Bluetooth, open Bluetooth settings and select Hesh Evo. Once connected, keep the headphones within 1 meter while you enable active noise cancelling. Now you enable active noise cancelling. Identify the ANC control. On many Hesh Evo units it's the multi-function button or a marked ANC button. Press and hold that button for 2 to 3 seconds. You should hear a voice prompt or see an LED change confirming ANC is on. Once active, play ambient audio and adjust headset seal. A proper ear cup fit improves ANC effectiveness. If you have an app, open it now to fine-tune ANC levels, but the hardware toggle turns it on immediately. Finish by verifying ANC is working and knowing what to do if it is not. Play steady background noise and notice the reduction when ANC is on. Switch ANC off to confirm the contrast. If you don't hear change, restart the headphones and repair Bluetooth. This often resolves software hiccups. Make sure firmware is up to date via the Skullcandy app, because firmware can fix ANC bugs. If problems persist after updates and resets, contact support. There may be a hardware fault requiring repair.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.